Salam and welcome. Have you ever gone through a difficult situation? A trial, so to speak. Whether it be a loss of a job, an alarming diagnosis, or news of the passing of a loved one. And you thought to yourself, what have I done to deserve this? Why do bad things keep happening to me? Or I must have done something horrible that invited this circumstance upon me. One limiting emotion that hinders our ability as human beings to connect with God is victimization. It is the feeling of helplessness and self-pity that arises from such aforementioned thoughts. It ends up creating a vicious cycle of self-blame and attacking oneself. Can you see how this repetitive thinking pattern creates a barrier between us and God? How it inhibits us from healing and truly seeing the wisdom behind such experience, knowing that every single experience is there to teach us something, to help us grow and evolve into who we were meant to be. The world we live in cannot exist without the potential of good and evil. It is up to us to choose how we react to whatever comes our way, and to see the good in every situation. As mentioned by Rumi, the secret to discovering the essence of Allah is in the opposite names. How can the attributes of the Beloved help us come to see the gift in what we perceive as tribulation? How can our perception be shifted from self-pity and blame to one of self-worth for being chosen to undergo such circumstance, and to be in a state of pleasure for God's discretion, knowing fully that He knows what's best for my growth and transcendence towards Him. Calling on the divine attribute of Allah, the only source of what we blindly perceive to be harm, enables us to see the divine intent in what seems like a difficult situation. Ad-Dar provides us with the opportunity to reflect on the bigger picture of a painful experience. We can then use such pain as a doorway for the light of Allah to enter and shift our perception, stepping into an entirely different life. That is where the divine attribute of An-Nafi', the one and only source of what is truly profitable and beneficial, comes in. The purifying effect of An-Nafi' heals the heart and brings it back to unity with Allah. An-Nafi' provides the opportunity to receive an immediate boost, assisting us in alleviating the feeling of being stuck and providing the help needed to persevere. As we prepare for the meditation, let us close our eyes. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose and into the belly. In exhaling, another deep breath in through the nose and into the belly. Exhale. One last time, and this time as we breathe in, holding it in our bellies as much as possible to allow the oxygen to travel to as many parts of our precious bodies. And exhaling while releasing any tension, tightness that we are feeling. And if that seems difficult, simply bringing our loving awareness to such areas of our bodies and observing them with love. Perhaps asking Allah to show us what is being communicated through. And now shifting our focus to the heart. Let us take a moment to express our gratitude to Allah for giving us an opportunity to reflect. And ask Him to guide us through this process of acknowledging our need of Him. and surrendering our limiting thoughts and emotions that are creating separation from Him. Asking Him to bring to our awareness if there is anything that we constantly blame ourselves for. Any situation where I tell myself, if only, where I constantly ask, why does it always happen to me? As we invoke on Ad-Dar and An-Nafi', witness the feeling around such thoughts. What happens to your perception of these situations? Let's set the intention to turn back to Allah and in turn to unity, and ask for the wisdom behind our experiences to be revealed to us by Him. Ya Dar Ya Nafi' 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 Ya Dar Ya Nafi'. We will now, for a moment or two, observe in a state of full surrender to Him. And now I invite you to slowly come back to your body's and current environment. And to gently open your eyes. Let us take a moment to give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the revelation we received through this sincere connection with Him. And asking Him to guide us through the rest of our days, years and lives, to continuously see the wisdom behind what we may perceive as bad or harmful, and to make us pleased with His discretion, for He is the one who reminds us in Surah Al-Fajr, يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي. O soul at peace, return unto your Lord, content and contenting. Enter among my servants, and enter my garden. May you be blessed with an abundance of peace, love, and tranquility. Wassalam.